Most people fear narcissists, but the most dangerous personality isn't the one with no empathy. It's the one who feels everything, yet still chooses manipulation. In this video, you will learn who Dark Empaths truly are, how they control people, and how you can protect yourself from someone who reads your emotions better than you do. A Dark Empath is one of the rarest and most confusing personalities you will ever meet. They blend emotional intelligence with the dark triad traits: Machiavellianism, narcissism, and psychopathy. This combination makes them powerful, perceptive, and extremely difficult to detect. Unlike other manipulators, they don't need to guess how you feel. They sense it, they read it, and they use it. A Dark Empath can make you feel seen, understood, and emotionally safe. They can connect with you deeply, listen carefully, and make you trust them faster than anyone else. And that is exactly where their power begins. Because once you trust them, they know exactly which emotional buttons to press. They don't manipulate loudly, they manipulate silently. They don't break you with anger, they break you with understanding. They know when to comfort you, when to pull away, and when to act like the victim. With empathy as their weapon, they control without ever appearing controlling. One of the strongest signs of a Dark Empath is selective kindness. They can be gentle and supportive one moment, then cold and distant the next. This creates emotional confusion, a push and pull that keeps people chasing their approval. They understand human emotions, but they don't always feel responsible for how their actions affect others. Another dangerous trait is their ability to mirror you. A Dark Empath can reflect your values, your fears, your dreams, even your insecurities. They make you feel like you've met someone who finally understands you. But this connection is often a strategy. They study people like a map, learning exactly where the weak points are. Dark Empaths are also highly strategic. They rarely react emotionally. They observe and calculate. They know how to appear moral, gentle, and trustworthy while still pursuing their own hidden agenda. Their empathy makes them better manipulators because they know exactly how to disguise their intentions. But here's the truth: not every Dark Empath is evil. Many struggle with internal conflict. They feel deeply, yet they also crave control. They care, but not enough to stop themselves from using people when necessary. This dual nature makes them unpredictable, sometimes kind, sometimes cruel, always difficult to fully understand. So, how do you protect yourself from a Dark Empath? First, pay attention to inconsistency. If someone's empathy feels selective or strategic, take distance. Second, analyze how they act when you say no. A Dark Empath hates losing influence, and this is where their mask usually slips. Third, trust patterns, not emotions. Their words may feel comforting, but patterns reveal the truth. In the end, Dark Empaths are powerful because they understand human emotion while staying separate from it. They know exactly how to get close, how to gain trust, and how to control without force. By learning their tactics, you protect your mind, your boundaries, and your emotional freedom. If you want more videos like this, stay tuned. This was only the beginning.